Pumpkin saw Dada get out the vacuum cleaner and she came running into her room. She doesn't like the vacuum cleaner. It's very scary. Is the vacuum cleaner scary?
100%.
Is it rawr? Rawr! Is it her ear?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs, yeah. Rawr! Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Yeah. Should we turn up the, see if we get the light a little brighter? Rawr! You want to do it? Say rawr!
Roar.
Good job. Rawr! Rawr! Yeah, let's see if we can get you.
Roar.
Should we go look at the vacuum?
Roar.
Come on, let's go look at the vacuum. Come on. No, come on. We're going to go look at the vacuum. Hold? Okay. We won't turn it on. We're just going to look at it. Okay. See? So if you want to sit next to it, we'll sit over here. And the vacuum's over there. Is it loud? Is that why you don't like it? We're not going to do it. Hey. Hey, we're not going to turn it on. Yeah, see what Dada. Hug. Do you find the vacuum scary? Yeah. Why don't you go play with your colors? We won't turn on the vacuum. We'll leave it off. Don't wait till your nap. Or till bedtime.
Night.
Good night.
Sheep.
Sleep. Do you want to watch Shaun the Sheep?
Sassy.
Should we watch Shaun the Sheep?
Sassy.
Okay. Will that make you feel better? Let's do that. So we're putting on Shaun the Sheep to make Pumpkin feel a little more comfortable. What are we watching?
I want it.
What are you watching?
Want it.
Is there sheep?
Sheep.
Shaun the Sheep?
Sassy.
Shaun the Sheep. Shaun the Sheep?
Sassy.
Boop, 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 boop.
Boop, boop, beep, boop, boop, boop.
Hi, YouTube.
On a deep.
Hi, subscribers. TV's on. I guess we can't compete. Okay, with the video on, with the Shaun the Sheep video on, we're gonna try to push the vacuum together. You look at Daddy's fuzzy slippers. Should we push the vacuum? I don't know if I can hold the phone at the same time. It's gonna be kind of hard. Dodge! Oh, that's probably not the best way to do it. Let's do it this way. Whew. So is there, you know what other moms did to get their toddlers over the vacuum issue? And I'll try to do this. The one had the toddler pushing the vacuum for a few days to see what with it off, and eventually turned it on the third or fourth day in a row. So I'm gonna try that, or at the very least try to get her to be around it. The other one just said they would vacuum and the kid would go into the other room scared, and eventually got over it. So I'm gonna try this pushing around thing, just having her around it for a few days. And so maybe this weekend I'll make the video seeing what the results are. What do you think? Is it gonna work?
Okay.
Are you gonna be afraid of the vacuum?
Okay.
Yeah. I think Pumpkin is traumatized. We've been sitting here cuddling for 15 minutes. Are you traumatized? That little foot. Okay. Move your foot twice for yes and once for no. One. No, you're not traumatized? Good. Say hi. Can I have that Muno?
Muno.
Yeah, it's Muno.
Muno.
Muno! Yeah. Muno. Get on my shirt. Oh, quick story this morning. Leah got out of the shower and Leah was giving me a hug. She had a towel on. She was giving me a hug. And then we hear, mwah! And Evelyn kissed Mama's butt. Mama's bare butt. You kissed Mama's bare butt. You are my funny girl. When I shut the camera off, she stopped doing it. How weird. How weird. She's playing up to you guys. Say goodbye. Knock knock. Moo!
A cow.
Moo!
Cow.
Interrupting cow.
Cow.
Interrupting cow who?
Moo.
Moo! Does that look better? Should we put a coat on it? Here, you stand here. Okay, hold on. Don't hold that in hand. Yeah, okay, Dennis got you. Here. Say, hello! Who is that?
Hello.
Who is that? Does that look like a man or like a kid? Here, you stand there. Okay, you hang on to me. Dad is going to show the camera. See? No. Okay. All right. Let's go watch Shaun the Sheep. We're going to do this periodically throughout the day, and then we're going to try to do it for the next few days, and then we'll shoot another video, and we'll let you know. We'll actually put the link to that video at the end of this video once it's up. It might take me a little while to remember that I said this, but it should be probably up in this like corner over here, so you can see the next video as soon as it comes live. Okay, go watch Shaun the Sheep.